Regression analysis in machine learning. Regression analysis is the process of estimating the relationship between dependent and independent variables. Types of regressions are linear regression, multiple regression, logistic regression. We will see one by one. First we see linear regression. Linear regression is one type of regression used in machine learning. Linear regression equation is y is equal to a plus bx. So here from this equation, a and b are the coefficients and x is nothing but an independent variable. Based on this x value, y value will be depending. So that's why it is called regression is nothing but a estimating the relationship between the dependent and independent variables. So here in the linear regression equation, we have only one independent variable, that is nothing but a x. And here we need to calculate the a and b value. These are the formulas to calculate the a and b values. These formulas you take down. Next we will see one example. Okay, this is the example. Find the y using linear regression. So here x is nothing but a years given 1, 5, 2, 3, 6 and y is nothing but a here salary given in 1000, 10,000, 42,000, 15,000, 28,000. Here how much for 1 year experience he is getting 10,000 salary. 4 years experience means 42,000, 2 years experience means 15,000, 3 years experience means 28,000. If a person is having 6 years of experience, then how much salary he can expect? Okay, that we are going to calculate by using the linear regression. So here we can say that x is nothing but independent. Okay, based on this experience we are calculating the salary. So here x is nothing but independent, y is nothing but dependent. Now we see the example. This is nothing but x given, this is nothing but y given, same as it is I have taken 1, 5, 2, 3. This we need to calculate now. For 6 years of experience, how much salary, that we need to calculate. So you no need to take this one. 1, 5, 2, 3 up to this taken, and y is nothing but 10, 42, 15, 28, 10, 42, 15, 28. Now a and b you need to calculate. To calculate the a and b, these are the formulas. Okay, so here x square, in the a formula, if you observe summation y, summation x square, summation x into y, summation x whole square, all this you need to calculate. So I am taking x square, x into y also taking. X square means 1 into 1, 5 into 5, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. X into y is nothing but 1 into 10, 5 into 42, 2 into 15, 3 into 28 and so on. Next summation x means you need to calculate all the x values. You need to perform the addition of all the x values. Summation y means perform all the y values addition. Summation x square, summation xy and so on. Now we need to calculate the a value. To calculate the a value, already we are having this formula. In this formula you apply all these values so that you will get a will be 0.8. All of you do by yourself all these formulas, all these calculations you do and apply in this formula, so that you will get a will be 0.8. And next you calculate the b value. B value you will get 8.3. Now this a and b should be substituted in the linear regression equation, that is nothing but y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so here a is equal to 0.8 we got, b is equal to 8.3 we got, and in the question given x value as a 6. For this x we need to calculate the y. So x is nothing but a 6. Y is equal to a plus b into x. This is the formula. Applied all this so that you will get y will be 50.6. That is nothing but a y will be 51. So here from this we can say that if a person is having the 6 years of experience, he can expect the salary of 51,000. Okay, this represented in the form of a graph also. If 1 year of experience means he is getting for 1 year of experience 10,000 salary. So x taken in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and y will be considered in the form of a y-axis will be salaries taken. And if x is equal to 1 means 10,000 salary, and if x is equal to 2 means 15,000, so 15. If x is equal to 3 means 28, and if x is equal to 5 means 42, and if x is equal to 6 means 51. So I represented this one. This is nothing but a linear regression equation. Kindly subscribe, share and comment.